Hello students, we will continue with the trigonometrical ratios of standard angles, and this will be the last video for that particular chapter, that is trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. So we will continue with exercise 23C. First one of this class is sine of x plus 10 is equal to half. So sine of x plus 10 will be equal to sine 30, because the angle 30 for sine will give you half. Now we will solve this. Sine of x plus 10 is equal to sine 30. X plus 10 will be equal to 30, and 30 minus 10 will be equal to 20 degree. Okay. Make sure, once again I am telling you, don't cancel this sine and sine. Next one, 3 tan square of 2x minus 20 is equal to 1. Now solving this, tan square of 2x minus 20 is equal to 1 by 3, transposing 3 to the right hand side. So tan of 2x minus 20 will be equal to 1 by root 3. The square, when it goes to the right hand side, it becomes square root. Now we know the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So we will substitute in place of 1 by root 3 as tan 30. Now solving this, we get 2x minus 20 is equal to 30 degree. 2x is equal to 30 plus 20, which is equal to 50 degree, and hence x will be equal to 50 by 2, which is equal to 25 degree. The next sum, tan square of x minus 5 is equal to 3. So tan of x minus 5 is equal to root 3, and we know the value for root 3 is tan 60, because tan 60 is root 3. Now x minus 5 is equal to 60, and x will be equal to 65. 60 plus 5, 65. Now moving on to the next sum, you have sine square x plus sine square 30 is equal to 1. You have to find the value of x. So sine square x is equal to 1 minus sine square 30. Sine square x is equal to 1 minus, you know the value of sine 30, which is equal to half. So half square. Sine square x is equal to 1 minus 4. Sine square x is equal to 4 minus 1 upon 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. So sine x will be equal to root 3 by 4, which will give you root 3 by 2. The square root of 4 is 2. Now you know the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So in place of root 3 by 2, you substitute sine 60, which will give you x is equal to 60 degree. Now the next sum, sine square 60 plus cos square 3x minus 9 is equal to 1. Now you have to find the value of x. So cos square of 3x minus 9 is equal to 1 minus sine square 60. So cos square 3x minus n is equal to 1 minus, the value of 60 is root 3 by 2, the whole square, which will give you 1 minus 3 upon 4. So cos square of 3x minus 9 is equal to 4 minus 3 upon 4, which is equal to 1 by 4. Now cos of 3x minus 9 is equal to root over of 1 by 4. You know the square root of 4 is 2. So cos of 3x minus 9 is equal to half. Now cos of 3x minus 9 will be equal to cos 60, because cos 60 is half. Now 3x minus 9 is equal to 60 degree. 3x is equal to 69. X is equal to 69 upon 3, which is equal to 23 degree. Now the next sum, if 4 cos square x is equal to 3 and x is an acute angle, find the value of x. So here the given expression is 4 cos square x is equal to 3. Solving this, you get cos square x is equal to 3 upon 4, which will give you cos x is equal to root 3 upon 2. The square root of 4 is 2, and we know the value for root 3 by 2. You will replace it by cos 30, because cos 30 is root 3 by 2, which will give you x is equal to 30 degree. You got the first one. Now next is, you have to solve the next expression, which is cos square x plus cot square x, which will be equal to cos square 30 plus cot square 30. The value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2 the whole square, and the value of cot 30 is root 3, and it will be square. Now solving this, you get 3 upon 4 plus 3, which will give you 3 plus 12 upon 4, which is 15 by 4, which can be written as 3 by 4. The next part is cos 3x. Cos 3x will be cos 3 into the value of x is 30. So cos 3 into 30, which will give you cos 90. The value of cos 90 is 0. Moving on to the next one, sin 2x. So this will be sine of 2 into 30, which is equal to sine 60. And you know the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Now, the next one, in a triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to y units, BC is equal to root 3 units, AC is equal to 2 units, angle A is equal to x degree. So here we will draw one right angle triangle for the ready reference. So A, B, C. Here it is given angle B is equal to 90 degree and AB is y, BC is root 3 and AC is equal to 2 and angle A is x degree. You have to find first sin x. So first one we will find sin x. You know the ratio for sin x is perpendicular by hypotenuse. For this angle x, perpendicular is root 3 and hypotenuse is 2. Now, so sin x is equal to root 3 by 2. Next, we have to find x. So, sin x is equal to, for the angle for which sin is root 3 by 2 is sin 60. So, you get x is equal to 60 degree. So, you got the first one and the second one. Now, moving on to the next one, which is tan x. So, here tan x is, the value of x is 60. So, tan 60, which will give you the answer root 3. Now, use cos x to find the value of y. So, here in order to find y, we have to use cos x. Don't use the Pythagoras theorem, which is also possible. But since it is mentioned cos x, we will write the ratio for cos x, which is base by hypotenuse. And cos 60, because x is 60, cos 60 is equal to base. For this angle x, base is AB upon hypotenuse is AC, which will give you cos 60 is half and AB is y and AC is 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, y is equal to 1. So we will stick to the instructions given. If 2 cos of A plus B is equal to 2 sin of A minus B is equal to 1, find the values of A and B. So the given expression is 2 cos of A plus B is equal to 2 sin of A minus B is equal to 1. Now you can write 2 cos of A plus B is equal to 1 and 2 sin of A minus B is equal to 1. Here both the expressions are equal to 1. So you get cos of A plus B is equal to 1 by 2 and sin of A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, transposing 2 to the right hand side. And cos of A plus B is equal to cos 60, because the value of cos 60 is half. Similarly here sin of A minus B will be equal to sin 30. Now we can write this as A plus B is equal to 60 degree and A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Now these two equations can be treated as a simultaneous equations. So A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Now adding these two, you get 2A is equal to 90, A is equal to 45 degree. Now we will substitute the value of A in one of the equations. A plus B is equal to 60 degree. So 45 plus B is equal to 60 degree. B is equal to 60 minus 45, which is equal to 15 degree. So this is the way you find the value of A and B. Now I have finished this chapter, that is trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. Very soon the notes will be posted and then I will do the next video for the next chapter. Thank you.